In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on LinkedIn. Dark mode is a popular feature that aims to reduce eye strain and conserve your device's battery life, particularly useful for people who spend long hours in front of their screens. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to activate this feature on your LinkedIn account. First, open your web browser and navigate to LinkedIn's website by typing in linkedin.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. You can do this by signing in with your Google or Microsoft account, or simply use your email address and password. If you're not already signed in, or this is your first time doing so on this device, you might also encounter a two-factor authentication step. LinkedIn could prompt you to verify your account using a code sent to your phone number. This additional step ensures that your account remains secure. Once logged in, head over to the upper right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. Here you'll find your profile avatar picture. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Among the options in this menu, you'll want to look for and click on Settings and Privacy. This will open up a new menu related to your account settings. In the menu that appears, you'll notice a list of options on the left-hand side of the screen. Locate and click on Account Preferences. This section contains various settings that let you tailor your LinkedIn experience to your liking. Now direct your attention to the right-hand pane, where you should see a section labeled Display. Go ahead and click on this option to explore the display settings available for your account. Within the display settings, you'll find an option for dark mode. Selecting this will present you with a few choices. You can select device settings to align your LinkedIn display with your device's overall theme, whether that's dark or light. Alternatively, you can choose dark mode to switch LinkedIn's interface to a darker color scheme, or you can opt for light mode if you prefer to stick with the default setting. Selecting each option will instantly show you how it changes the appearance of the site. Once you've set your preference, your changes will be saved automatically. That's it. You can now enjoy a new appearance for your LinkedIn profile without any additional hassle. Dark mode can really make a difference if you're working in low light environments or trying to conserve battery life on your device. It's a quick and easy adjustment with potentially big benefits, making your LinkedIn browsing experience a bit more pleasant on the eyes. Thank you for tuning in, and happy networking on LinkedIn.